Why is the onigiri at the convenience store in Japan so delicious? The crispy seaweed and fluffy white rice matched perfectly, and on top of that, it got delicious ingredients inside. Whenever you eat rice in Japan, you will notice the rice is so sweet, savory, and moisture. Japanese people have been continuing to pursue rice nutrition and deliciousness over more than 2,000 years. Even today, rice is deeply loved as an indispensable food for Japanese people. In today's video, I'm sharing my favorite store where it carries a wide variety of rice and related items and top 6 must-buy items. In my channel, I'm introducing gourmet spots, some travel tips, must-buy items in Japan. Please follow me for more information. Your support will be highly appreciated. The first store of Akomeya Tokyo opened in 2013, and now there are more than 20 shops all over Japan. It's just located in front of Kakurazaka subway station, so easy to access. Akomeya Tokyo Rakagu is the biggest shop in Japan where it offers tax-free for foreign customers. Let's start shopping! It's very convenient that if you stock some flavors of accompanying rice in your food pantry, especially for quick breakfast. The number of rice accompaniments is probably the number one in Japan. The products are not only Akomeya brand, but also many products from all over Japan. It is said that there are more than 270 kinds in total. They have a lot of options such as vegetables, meat, fish, and some of them are free chemical seasonings. Grilled natural sea bream from Ehime Prefecture and seasoned with kelp, calm broth, and seaweed salt. It is a gentle and elegant taste. You could eat with freshly cooked rice or ingredients from onigiri. Grilled eel from Kochi Prefecture, which is famous for it, is simmered with originally grown ginger. The elegant sweetness of sauce is combined with the spices of the high quality of ginger and really goes with rice. Ginger is slowly cooked with bonito flakes and soy sauce. The umami comes out. Huki is butterbeer sprout kind of vegetable that is sometimes used in Japanese dishes in spring. It's seasoned with miso paste and red pepper. Delicious food bring out from tools. Tableware is not only indispensable for serving dishes, but also complements taste, aroma, and plating. I'll show you now some kitchen tools and tableware which I give for souvenirs. These chopstick wraps are handmade one by one that bring out different atmosphere individually. It's a shape in bird. Look at this. It's shaped in rice bowl with rice. If you like onigiri, why don't you get for yourself? There are painted onigiri at the edge of the chopsticks. If you like to try making onigiri at home, just get this kitchen tool. You can make beautiful onigiri by yourself. The onigiri maker is fairly popular among local Japanese. Using good quality seasonings bring out the additional deliciousness to the dishes. Akomeya's seasoning had completely through trial and error from raw material to manufacturing. Shiokoji is Japanese traditional seasoning that is salted rice malt. It's just so easy to use and make the dishes so delicious because of fermented component. If you add shiokoji to the chicken, it will tender and delicious when you eat it, especially chicken breast. Shiokoji itself tastes sweet and salty. By using it in cooking, not only saltiness but also richness and umami come out. All you need to do is just marinate with ingredients for 30 minutes to an hour, then cook. In case you're grilling the ingredients, I recommend to remove the excess shiokoji, otherwise easy to get burned. Secondly, cosmetics have been in spotlight on SNS, and you can find a lot of products at cosmetic store in Japan. They also carry a lot of skincare products using high-quality ingredients. Rich in white ingredients, albumin, kojic acid, and ferric acid. The bath salt with Epsom salt, Akomeya's original seculace powder, and beauty serum contains. You cannot miss getting some rice from Akomeya with a lot of brown rice from all over the country. The rice deterioration has begun right after they are harvested. Also, when rice is polished, it deteriorates faster. The rice consultant will guide you on how to choose and cook the most delicious rice according to your preference. Today, I choose the Milky Queen from Ibaraki Prefecture with pesticide-free. I bought the one as it is. If you prefer white rice or half polished, you could ask. If you like to buy small portion, you have some option with 300-gram pack of white rice. The rice features shine of the rice after cooking, the chewy texture, the sweetness and softness. I picked this for number 1 because it's just so delicious. I've tried various cooked rice so far and I said this is the best. Especially the sea bream one is so popular among local and introduced TV shows a lot. It got 4 packs inside. It's so easy to cook, just mix the ingredients together. 1 pack for 2 cups of white rice. Rinse the rice and add the water up to 2 cups. Add all the ingredients. And mix it slightly. Just cook with rice cooker at the normal mode. Then mix it well. You can enjoy plenty of natural cod sea bream from the Seto Inland Sea. It is savory, umami, and a lot of sea bream flavors as if I'm eating a fancy restaurant. Akomeya shop in Shibuya with Dana is also popular because we can enjoy freshly cooked rice using an earthen pot. It's located on the 2nd floor of Tokyo Plaza building. When I visit around lunchtime, I waited about 15 minutes to get a seat. Didn't have much options, but I'm going to try this today. Yes, freshly cooked rice. The set menu comes with cooked rice, miso soup, main dish that you can choose meat or fish, and some side dishes. Okay then, let me open it. One more lid. Oh, it's hot. Wow, look at the shiny white rice. We express that the rice is standing, which means the rice is chewy, plump, and gently spread in your mouth. An earthy pot has low thermal conductivity, so it takes time to warm up. One of the tips for cooking plump and shiny rice is heat slowly. First of all, you should try as it is. It tastes sweet and umami. It tastes so good. It really goes with simmered fish. You can enjoy the side dishes as well. The soup got a big chunk of vegetables and meat. It's so good. The rice, some seasonings, and dashi packs are available at the shops, so if you like the taste, you should get them. I also ordered TKG. Add some Akomeya soy sauce. I really enjoyed it. Did you enjoy watching today's video? All the items I introduced today are all highly recommended. If you don't know what to buy in Japan, just go and get them. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.